BXH-3003 Assembly video. Spark arrestor. Pre-filter. HEPA filter. Attach the turbo body. Check the power. Charge the battery. Insert the battery. Press here to remove battery. Backpack harness. Twist to connect turbo body. Adjustable chest buckle. Adjustable length. Adjustable controller. Attach to the papar. Insert the control line into PAPR. Power on. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Power off. Assemble the Y-shape air tube. Connect the half-face mask. Twist to lock PAPR connection. Video for demonstration purposes only. Read and follow all user instructions.